Good morning from the American Muscle Car Museum in sunny Melbourne, Florida. Today out from the collection we have a 1969 Z28 Camaro. This Z28 Camaro is done in a stunning rally green with a black interior. This has a 302 cubic inch motor under the hood, sod lifters, had a unique 850 Holley, and this was rated at 290 horse. We all know that is a gross understatement. It's probably closer to 375 to 400 with a little tune and headers. The Z28s were only available with a 4-speed that was Hurst shifted and came stock with a 373 axle ratio in the back. The positive traction was actually an option, and a 410 gear was also available. Some of the other options that were available were an RS package or a Rally Sport that included the hideaway headlights, backup tail lights down in the pan down low. This car we have in for service. We did our Evans coolant conversion change on it. We're going to adjust it. We're going to tune it, we're going to get it back in the collection, get a few passes on it, and get it back in the museum. Once again, thanks for watching.